Mabuhay! Today, I will present the culture map of Cebu Pacific, isang airline na kilala sa affordable flights and friendly service. Let's start with the core values. Ang Cebu Pacific ay nakapokus sa customer satisfaction, safety, efficiency, and inclusivity. This means they always put customer first, ensure safe flight, work efficiently, and respect all kind of people. Next is employee behavior. Ang mga empleyado ay inaasahang maging friendly, professional, and team-oriented. They should always show a positive attitude and provide good service to passengers. For cultural diversity practices, pinapakita ng Cebu Pacific ang pagiging inclusive sa lahat ng kultura. They provide training so employee can communicate well with passengers from different backgrounds and respect their beliefs. Now, let's move on to organizational practices. Ito ay ang mga daily routine at policies tulad ng following safety procedures and greeting passengers with a smile. These practices help maintain smooth and consistent service. Because of this, the outcome or results are happy customer, safe flights, and a strong reputation. Dahil dito, maraming passengers ang nagtitiwala sa Cebu Pacific. So, halimbawa, may passenger na kinakabahan sa flight. A flight attendant will calmly assist them, explain safety procedures, and make them feel comfortable. This shows care, professionalism, and safety in action. So lastly, employee adaptation. Nag-a-adjust ang employee sa pamamagitan ng learning company standards, adjusting communication style, and improving their skills. They also learn how to handle different types of passengers respectfully. In conclusion, the culture of Cebu Pacific helps create a positive experience for both employees and passengers. Sa pamamagitan ng kanilang values at practices, nagiging maayos at mahusay ang kanilang serbisyo. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.